Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Reason for the video is because we get some movement. We have a bit of a pullback there. This is precisely what we wanted to see, a pullback before a breakout, which is a stress test for the bullish case here that we see on the chart. Quick reminder, we're only dealing with corrective structures here, corrective rally. So it is important, I think, to note that this can easily change, can break down and so on, but we have a support zone on the chart to watch. We have a tradable area. Again, I'm not telling you to take a trade. I'm just telling you the roadmap that I see as likely for FETCH.AI. And I think there's at least a good chance that we might see a reaction to one of those 4 Fibonacci levels that I have on the chart. And I'm talking about the microstructure, and this is the support zone for what I've labeled wave 2. So we want to talk about that in this video. Just please note that the overall context on this chart is highly questionable because, quick zoom out here, the third wave that presumably formed the top in March, this was too weak to be reliable. Normally we want a third wave to reach the 138% extension. Well, it only reached the 1.236 extension here at 341. Ideally, it would have reached 485, and it didn't get there. So that means for the next wave up, minimally 485, better even 871. But my concern is that due to this failure of reaching the 1.38 extension in wave 3, this chart is very weak, increasing overall the risk that the orange larger support zone with key support at 52 cents will break. So this is not more than maybe a short-term swing trade opportunity in my opinion. The context isn't great, but it also indicates that this chart is weak, but we'll see. I mean, for now, we have identified here a possible 5-wave move to the upside into the Thursday high. Yesterday, I think around the same time, I posted on our Discord server for gold members. These are, by the way, the updates that you get as a gold member. For example, I also covered SUI, covered Ethereum, Bitcoin, SUI, Bitcoin, DOT, Ethereum, and so on. There are many coins as well that I don't cover on YouTube, but I want to show you the FETCH.AI update. So I posted, the structure hasn't changed, but on the micro level, it's possible to identify a first 5-wave move to the upside in what could be wave 1 of circle, wave C of A. While there is no convincing signal that a top is formed, well, there is one now, I have added a support zone which is defined. The support zone will shift higher should wave 1 extend to the upside. But yeah, at the time, I think we were just seeing the start of the pullback yesterday, and that red candle was the start actually. And you see the wave 1 was actually complete. If you follow Elliott Wave, if you follow my channel, then you know that after 5 waves, typically we have to at least be ready for a pullback. I mean, it can always extend, okay? It can always turn into an extended 5th wave of wave 1, but seems like this followed really nicely the roadmap. Now we just need to see if this support area is holding. I don't even have to change the support area because the pullback started exactly when I posted that update. So let's go back to the live chart. Final check. No, I don't have to change it. So micro support is between $1.26 and $1.08, $1.09. I don't expect this to go down necessarily here in a straight line. It might give us a more pronounced ABC structure, something like that, ABC. So I did say maybe today we see a test, maybe. Could also take the weekend maybe, because if it's really an ABC, this might take a couple of days or so. We'll see how it develops. But for now, I would prefer to see a bit of a B wave bounce actually, and then a C wave down. But if we get a break below $1.08 or 1.088, which is the 78.6 retracement down there, that would already shift probabilities towards something more bearish. The formal invalidation point, however, is not reached until we get to the $1 mark. So that's invalidation. Upside target, I'd say $2.10 is here sort of for circle C, right? And if we break below 1.088, it will increase the risk that we're testing the 75-cent mark down there, and maybe even 52. So that wouldn't be good at all. So that's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.